Hi, good evening, guys. Today, actually, we are. It's part my failure and part my success. So, this is about our extra fittings in the CB350. So, what mistakes I made was, one mistake I made was buying this mobile holder. See, online they show you something and you buy something. What happened was, actually the I was riding without taking video. Now I knew why it was not possible, because this was hiding the camera, the legs. So now what I thought was, I'll buy spider type, what is this, motorcycle, a new type camera holder. My strongest fear was this is not safe, but I think this is much more safer than the previous one. See, all you have to do is you have to expand this and then put the camera and phone in between, so you can take camera while riding. Because I am supposed to be buying GoPro, but maybe one by one after the other I'll buy. Okay, and one more thing I bought today was, everybody was asking what is a C2C type cable. Okay, C2C type cable is for the mobile charger in the Deluxe Pro model. So today I got it here. It's actually slightly costlier than what you could buy in the online shopping, Amazon. It was only 200, but I bought it for 400. But these guys say it has got a warranty of 1 year, so I think safer, and it's a neighborhood shop, so I don't prefer paying 50, 100 or something more to a neighborhood shop. This is what we charge. My phone is a M31. And this is what we require to charge the mobile while riding. Of course, my phone charge for a 1 hour ride is not very crucial. So you open the end here, and this will go into this connector. Okay, and then the other end, put it in your phone. See? Oh, I'm sorry, I'm a little clumsy on the handling. Okay, now this is the other end. I put it here, and if I try to switch on the, where did I leave the keys? So I switched on the in between some guests came, so I switched on the power, and see, it works. So I found success. It has got for 52%. Now maybe I'll take a screenshot of there was total interruption. So what we do is, we will remove this and the new mobile holder. Anyway, the charger is working. charger. We need two cameras to show you how it is working, but it is working. Trust is everything, right? So I will change this, and only only challenge is fitting the new mobile holder. Has to be fitted, and the rear view mirror holder stand. Okay, this is a very cheap one. My thing is, I didn't like the quality at all, because we cannot see the product and buy it in we cannot see the product at all. Oh shit, see, it broke. That was handling, but it is good that it broke, otherwise on the ride also it could break. So what we'll do is leave this here, but this has got an instant charger in itself, okay, and a USB connection, but you will have to put the positive and negative connector into the bike. Anyway, I don't want to disrupt the OEM fitting, so I already we bought a bike with the charger, and then you don't need another charger to be wired into the system and lose your warranty if they put you in trouble. So what next we'll do is, we have to fit this onto the mirror. To fit this onto the mirror, we have to remove the mirror. So with one camera and two hands, I would not be able to show you how the mirror is removed. Let's first decide where to fit. I think left side will be better. So I'll show you after fitting the clamp and the mobile holder. I have a screwdriver and a spanner here. Maybe if that spanner doesn't fit, I'll have to use the plier. But I would advise not to use a plier on any nut, because you will lose the grip of the nut, and at the same time the plating also will. So be careful when you use pliers. Use the proper tools. The key. I use the screwdriver. I wanted the screwdriver to take out this, but I don't think that will be required. I will remove. Oh my god, this doesn't fit. The spanner is undersized, so you might have to use the plier. I don't think I have another plus spanner of that size. Let's see how we get. That's what happens when you use the plier. I'll keep trying. Wait, I'll show you. I tried two spanners, but both of them are not working. One was undersized and one was oversized. See? This one was undersized and this one was oversized. So I removed the cover, kind of the toolbox. Here, the toolbox is not there. Toolboxes are on the other side, I think. Let's see if Honda provides tools for everything here. Okay, see, I'm opening this. We don't have a Honda service center the near 150 kilometers, 100 kilometers is the next service center. So I thought I'll do it myself. So both the covers are here. Okay, be careful, don't scratch the covers. Okay, so I don't need the Allen key also. Let's see what Honda is providing. Here is a first aid box. That will not work. First aid box will not serve the purpose. Let's see, open this. I can't find the toolbox. That's right. Honda is not providing a toolbox. For everything in the other, maybe we'll have to depend on them. What is this then? Should be the air filter. Okay, no point. Disappointing. I've been owning spikes for a very long time. This is the first time I'm finding a vehicle without. Let's put back the first aid kit. It's a very minimalistic first aid kit. So, what's our next solution? I tried plier, but again it's too tight. I'm scared if this will wear out. Let me try once more. Hold on. Okay. So we are placing the camera Rajiv. What's up? Using a 14-inch spanner. 14. Number 14 spanner, right? Number 14 അല്ലേ സ്പാനർ. എൻ്റെ കയ്യിൽ 2-3 സ്പാനർ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു, അത് പറ്റിയില്ല. So guys, we can take videos now. All my riding videos will come. Okay. Please show me with a happy. I got my mobile holder fitted and now I can charge. So ready for ride.